Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nicole Heininger with interior design studio EST Collective. In today's video, I am taking you inside one of my favorite showrooms, the impeccably designed Los Angeles space of Apparatus. Effortlessly elegant and undeniably sophisticated, this showroom transports you into a world of artistry and refinement, where every detail tells a story, making it one of my top destinations for luxury lighting. As always, we will begin by giving you a quick tour of the space, and be sure to stick around until the end where I reveal my top 5 pieces from the space to make the EST list. All right, let's go inside and take a look around. Stepping through the doors of Apparatus, the unassuming exterior conceals a space that feels timeless, luxurious, storied, and deeply immersive. The showroom unfolds as a fully experiential journey. The first space welcomes you with clusters of cloud pendants, featherweight spheres suspended from brass chains that evoke a whimsical sophistication. Nearby, the low-hung brass armature lantern pendant with its fluted porcelain shade captivates with its understated elegance. Every corner of the showroom is a testament to Apparatus' vision. Thoughtful details and sculptural forms combine to create an atmosphere of elegance, sophistication, and transformation, a place where artistry and storytelling come alive. As you move through plaster hallways lined with arched openings, you reach the heart of the showroom. Here, cork-lined walls transport you into a 1970s-inspired aesthetic. This meticulously curated space showcases Apparatus lighting, furniture, and objects in a way that feels timeless yet bold. In one corner, the oversized link pendant, talisman loop wall sconce, and a series of brass and alabaster median pendants command attention. Every surface is designed with precision. Even the light switches, outlets, and exit signage are crafted to perfection. No detail has been overlooked, reaffirming why Apparatus remains best in class and at the top of my list. Another corner features the Signal Y floor lamp, a pair of sphere synapse pendants, and their signature horsehair sconce. As you weave through the space, the design reveals itself layer by layer, encouraging exploration and discovery. As you walk through another plaster-lined hallway, you're transported to a room with textured gravel walls, an unexpected yet mesmerizing design element. Even the rugs in their collection echo this meticulous attention to detail, featuring unique brass hardware that elevates them to works of art. The scale of the tassel pendant with its mold-blown glass cylinders is absolutely captivating. This trapeze mobile is a studio favorite and makes a stunning centerpiece above any dining table. Yet another hidden hallway leads to restrooms that feel more like a sophisticated hotel, every inch thoughtfully designed. At the very back of the space, the staff kitchen reveals one final surprise: the stunning Signal Z pendant, seamlessly blending into the environment while adding an artistic edge. This showroom is truly a masterpiece, an immersive celebration of design where every room, product, and finish tells its own story. It's a rare treat to experience a space so meticulously crafted where every detail exudes beauty, artistry, and intention. Now that we've thoroughly explored, it's time for me to select my top 5 pieces from this space to make the EST list. Coming in at number 1 is the Reprise pendant, drawing inspiration from Joe Colombo's iconic designs, KD27 lighting, boom microphones, and the meticulous artistry of luggage craft. Featuring a brass armature wrapped in hand-stitched leather or suede, its mold-blown glass diffusers soften the light, creating an inviting ambiance. The Reprise blends vintage references with modern sophistication, making it an exquisite centerpiece. Coming in at number 2 is the Signal X Pendant, channeling the elegance of mid-century innovation with references to satellite communication, Fresnel lenses, and Erwin Blumenfield's evocative portraits through glass. Its pressed glass diffusers emit a radiant, multi-dimensional glow, while the brass armature provides a sleek and sturdy frame. This pendant balances industrial inspiration with artistic sophistication, making it a striking focal point in any space. At number 3, the Horsehair 2 Sconce by Apparatus is a beautiful study in the contrast between organic materiality and industrial form. Inspired by Stephen Klein's equestrian imagery and the craftsmanship of writing tack, its wefts of horsehair seem to provide structural support while adding a sense of fluid movement. The brass form, cast to appear draped over a peg, blends softness and strength, creating a sculptural and functional work of art. At number 4, the episode Armchair is a perfect fusion of sculptural artistry and functional design, characterized by its elegant proportions. Inspired by the lunar rover, Rosie the Robot, and Rachel Whiteread's works, the chair blends futuristic elements with timeless sophistication. A harmonious blend of form and comfort, it's a true design masterpiece, a testament to Apparatus' ingenuity and craftsmanship. Rounding out the top 5 is the Cylinder Collection, exemplifying the beauty of proportion and utility, perfect as a primary or secondary light source. Each piece embodies a sleek simplicity, making it as versatile as it is striking. Available as a downlight, pendant, or downlight extended, this collection offers functional, directional lighting with a refined mechanical joint that seamlessly blends form and purpose. And that wraps up our tour of this beautiful space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at EST Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.